Do you need some t-shirts done? Right now we got an overstock. So if you use what we got in stock right now, you can get your shirts printed, colored logos for only $10 a piece. You get one-sided. If you want two-sided, it's $15. One side, $10 a piece from what we have in stock already. This is some overload. We're trying to clear out our inventory to stack up some more. So you need something done, trying to advertise your business, advertise your service, advertise your product, promote a brand, hit me up, 405-977-9343, HogOn Welding at gmail.com. HogOn.